Water Sanctuary ni Padre Pio. This is the Chapel of Lights. Capillo Souvenir Shop. Ito yung Padre Pio Shrine naman ni Padre Pio Holy Water Sanctuary pala. Ito 1/4 pa lang to ng mga tao. Then as we enter, makikita po natin ang statue of Padre Pio. Ito tinatawag na sanctuary. Ayan siya, Holy Water Sanctuary of Padre Pio. Madami. See you again guys. May part 2 pa ito.